All right, so back at it, baby. Starting at the top, at the Jacques Marie Mage specs. I tried out the 3X UHF work shirt version, and I did this. I typically am a 2X, but I wanted to try it out as a little bit more of an overshirt, if you will. Beautiful fabric, like most of you guys know about. Underneath is the Sugarcane denim work shirt, and this is extra large. I'm 200, 195. That's last year. 200, 5'7", and I've got these, the Serge Work pant on from Ironheart, the IH29, 829 on top of Alden's. Wear my Alden's pretty much with anything, guys. Oh, one last thing. Check out the new Good Art, baby. Been waiting on this one a little while. This is the Swiss Army knife scissor combo, little file, spring ring. All right, triple rosette with the goosebumps. Super stoked to have this in, guys. We've got a lot of new Good Art in. Hit us up if you guys have any questions.